Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Levine and welcome to today's video on how we can change a user's password and their permission to different files on Adobe Experience Manager. These are very useful tools to learn since our users may forget what their password is, and maybe our organization wants to control what level of access someone can have to certain files. So by the end of this video, you should be able to change a user's password and their permissions. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is see how we can change a user's password, and it's a pretty straightforward task. And currently I'm on the AEM home screen, and the first thing I'm going to want to do is click on this tools icon, this hammer looking icon on the left hand side of the screen. And then after that is selected, I can go down to the security tab, select that, and then I can click the users panel. And I'll be redirected to the user management screen where all my different users are listed. But I want to find the user I'm going to want to change the password for and then select on their icon. So I'm going to be selecting John Doe. Select that, and then I can go to the properties tab at the top left. And then after I do that, I can click on the change password button right here. I can type in their new password and then I can retype it. And then I can put in my my password. So I'm currently on the admin account changing the password, so I would type in the admin password. And then I would click save. But I'm not going to. Then I would save and close, and that is how we would change the password. And so like I said, it's a pretty straightforward task, nothing too fancy. Alright, so we're back on the AEM homepage, and now we want to see how we can change the user permissions for their access to AEM and different parts of AEM. So we have to go back to the tools icon. We'll click that and we'll have to go back down security, and then we'll go to permissions. So we'll click on that and it'll redirect us to the AEM security page. And now we have to find the user we want to change their permissions for. So I'm going to search for John Doe, and I'll double click his name. And now I can go over to the permissions tab on this page, and then I can start modifying his permissions. So the read permission grants him the ability to read the file. Modify lets them edit the file. Create lets them create files in that folder. Delete lets them delete. Read ACL, so ACL stands for Access Control List, and that grants them the ability to see who has access to those files. And then edit ACL lets them add and remove users to give them access to those files. And then replicate just lets them copy the files so they can copy and paste it somewhere else. So if we want to, so let me go ahead and find just a random folder. So I want the content. Let's go to apps. Actually, let's revoke all their access to the apps folder. So we just simply have to click on this box where the check mark is, and we can do that for all of these options. And that revokes all of his access to this apps folder in the content folder. So John Doe will no longer be able to get to this folder. And we have to make sure we click save at the top right here. And now our progress has been saved and he is not allowed to access the apps. But I want to give it back, so I can just click all the check marks and then save. And that is it for permissions. I mean, we can go deeper into the folder structure if we wanted to. Maybe we want them to only have access for certain files. That's certainly possible. But I'm not really going to get too in detail with that because that varies based off organization. Alright, thank you guys for listening today. I hope you were able to take away how to change a user's password and their permissions on AEM. And thanks for watching.